Time to open your chest and shoulders and tighten that booty.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Jenn Witaconis. I'm a yoga instructor in the Tampa Bay area, and we're going to talk about bridge pose today. So let's get down onto the ground, starting out on all fours just to stabilize, and then just go ahead and swing the legs forward. We'll make our way down onto our backs. So inhale down. You could do this in straight legs or with the knees softly bent. We're going to bend the knees anyway here, so bending the knees and sliding the feet closer to your body. So if you're new to bridge pose, it can seem kind of challenging to lift the hips up high. So we're just going to talk about engagement first, because to me, that is one of the most important things, and really to most people it should be, because you want to protect your lower back. And when you engage your glute muscles, your booty, you are protecting the lumbar spine, lengthening it a little bit, and also getting that tight butt that everybody looks for, basically. So, so go ahead and with the feet down fully. Big toes need to be in line with the heels, so you can even just kind of look and check in that your big toes are in line with your heels. Arms will tuck into your sides, palms down. And you'll inhale, and you just begin to lift your booty off the ground. It doesn't matter how high at first. Leaning into the shoulders a bit, maybe tucking the shoulders under the back. If you can't quite do that because you're tighter in your shoulders, just leave the shoulders where they were and just try to engage them. Pressing the palms of the hands to the earth, trying to get the wrists down as you lengthen through the fingertips. Engage, engage, engage in that booty. Squeeze the glutes. Keep the knees just about in line with the ankles. Inhale and exhale, come on down. Now try this arms free. So this is a really good way to kind of just test your alignment and your engagement out. It helps you engage a little bit deeper too in your glute area. So you're going to inhale, palms up, reaching up, and you're going to lift in the same way. Try to hold. 3, 2, keep the chin just about neutral and off the chest. And 1, exhale, come down. If all this feels pretty easy to you and you want to get more height out of your back bending, you're looking to open your chest and shoulders more, you can take a bind behind your back. And so again, I'm just going to scooch down a little bit so my sits bones are closer to my heels, or you can slide your heels in a bit closer. Either way, just getting into that position. Same foot position, big toes in line with heels. So if your big toes start to misalign and point outward, which may happen when you come up, you're then compromising your low back. So we want to slide them back in line if they start to come out of alignment as you come up. All right, so inhale now. Beginning to tuck the shoulders under the back. If that feels all right, lifting the hips a little higher, checking in on that glute engagement. If you feel like you can now, interlock the fingers, press the heels of the hands together, and then ground your bind down into the earth. Press it down deeply, rooting down even through the wrists into the mat beneath you. You don't want your wrists lifted, so we're trying to close off that space between the wrists and the mat as you lift higher. Feel as though you have 2 strings that are connected to your hip points and pulling you up evenly towards the sky. Inhale, and on your exhale, you'll slowly lower down, leading with the tailbone, roll down onto your back. Since bridge pose is a great way to work your glutes, I have a glute self-assessment video that I think you'd love. Check it out, scroll down in the pinned comments below. And so let's just get back into this. We're gonna come back down if you aren't already in reclined position, and just do a short little glute tightening sequence with bridge pose. So if you wanna get a little funky with it, and you're feeling pretty good about bridge, you can do this. You're going to first cross the right leg over the left leg, making a figure 4. Okay, and again, it doesn't matter how high you lift up with this form of bridge. It's just about tightening, toning, engagement. So tuck your arms to your sides, Left foot fully down, inhale. Lift the hips, try to lift them evenly. Squeeze the glutes, exhale, softly come down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Inhale, lift, press the right knee away from you as you lift, exhale, down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down, uncross the right leg, set it down, right foot, left leg crosses over right leg, make that figure 4, press the left knee away from you, make sure that your left foot is flexed, toes dorsiflex, pressing up, inhale, lifting, exhale, come on down. Inhale, lift, exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift and squeeze. Exhale, down one more time. Inhale, exhale, down. Good. Uncrossing. Coming back into your bridge pose and then stretching out. Inhale, your starting position, and then stretching out. Full body. Inhale, and then try to make your way up into seated. Exhale. Little core action to get up into seated. Thank you for watching my tutorial on bridge pose today. If you were feeling your low back at all during this sequence, any pain, I made a video that you can check out above here. And it's all about relieving your low back pain and sciatic pain too. Thanks so much once again. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, leave any questions. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to scroll down below to this glute self-assessment. It's a pinned comment. Check it out. I'm Jenn Witaconis. Thanks so much.